Have you ever felt like life just knocked you flat on your back and you're left wondering how to get up and move forward without losing who you are in the process? If you've been there or you're there right now, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to start again after life knocks you down, and I promise you'll walk away feeling more grounded, clear and inspired to move forward without sacrificing your true self. Welcome back to the Awaken with Love and Rise with Pure Joy podcast. I'm Katie Joy, your host and founder of theglobalbutterfly.com. Let's chat why starting over feels so hard. The real reason why it feels so daunting to begin again is that often we've tied our identity to what we've just lost. Whether it's a job, a relationship, or a version of ourselves that we thought we'd always be. It's like a piece of your soul has just been stripped away. And then society tells you to just move on, push through, keep going. But here's the problem. When you're not aligned with yourself, pushing through feels like dragging a heavy weight behind you. It's not sustainable. The truth is, starting over shouldn't feel like abandoning yourself. It should feel like you're returning home to your truest essence. Here's the real power of starting again. Starting over isn't about pretending it didn't hurt. It's about acknowledging the pain, processing the emotions, and then choosing how you want to rebuild from here. It's not just pushing forward blindly. It's pausing, reflecting, realigning. Sometimes the world makes it sound like you have to bounce back immediately. But real healing isn't about speed. It's about sustainability. It's about giving yourself permission to pause before you rebuild. As someone who has started over multiple times, let me share some tips how to start again without losing yourself. Here's what I've learned and what I help my clients understand. You don't have to rush the process. In fact, one of the most powerful things you can do is reflect before you take action. Ask yourself, what parts of my life feel forced right now? What do I need to release so I can move forward? How can I realign with what truly matters to me? Sometimes it's not about doing more. It's doing what feels true. It's about setting goals that don't just look good on paper, but feel light and right in your soul. Look, starting again can feel scary, particularly because usually in these periods of life, you feel a little unclear or even lost for what's your next best step or the direction to take. One tool that I've created to help with this process is your clarity map. It's designed to help you gain perspective on where you are now, where you want to go, and how to move forward in a way that honors your growth. It's not about having all the right answers now. It's about choosing small, intentional steps that feel aligned with who you're becoming. If you're feeling stuck, overwhelmed, or unsure of your next step, I highly recommend accessing your Clarity Map Masterclass. It's a guided process to help you rebuild your life without losing your sense of self. Remember, just because you're starting over doesn't mean you're broken or that your life is broken. You're not going back to square one. You're moving forward from a place of wisdom and experience. You're not meant to be the same person you were before, and that's okay. You're evolving, you're growing, you're finding your way back to your truest self. So give yourself permission to pause, reflect, and realign. You don't have to rush. You don't have to prove anything. Your story isn't over. It's just beginning a new chapter. If today's episode resonated with you, I encourage you to access your Clarity Map Masterclass. It's completely free and designed to support you in gaining the clarity and alignment you deserve. And if you know of someone who's going through a major life reset, share this episode with them, because sometimes just knowing that you're not alone can make all the difference. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. I really love to hear from you. And until next time, from my heart to yours, with lots of love, light, and manifesting miracles, magic, and more. Bye for now.